I have really big tits. Hi everyone, I'm here with my friend Farron. She is a pharmacist. We are going to go around today and ask men what the 4 stages of a women's cycle is.
Menstruation, follicular, ovulation, luteal.
Let's go. Can you name the 4 stages of a female's cycle?
Speaking in Spanish?
Gracias.
Absolutely not.
So first one, menstruation.
What is that exactly?
Ovulation.
Follicular.
Moody. Broken relation?
Yeah.
As far as I know, this is the phase where they're bleeding.
Follicular?
Follicular.
Angry. Apparently, like having an intercourse in such a time would be great, apparently, right?
Yeah.
So you've been told.
Crazy.
You're great.
Ovulation.
Period.
Fighting.
Luteal.
Ovulation.
After the ovulation, if it doesn't get fertilized, then it will break down.
And luteal phase.
Woo! Okay.